guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm in a different area of my apartment today. I've been trying to find a place where I want to record because I hate recording in the bathroom, but I also love it because the sink's right there and everything's right there. And I'm in the process of getting our office set up, but that's not done yet. So for right now, we're in my bedroom. Today, I'm going to be attempting a perm rod set. Now, if you've been here for a while, you might have seen my perm rod fail video. Yeah, so I'm gonna attempt another perm rod set. This time I'm gonna be following the Janae Mason method, where she does a 2-strand twist and then she puts the perm rod down at the bottom, rolls it up just a little bit. She doesn't roll it up all the way, and then do that. The order of products I'm gonna be using is water, Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in, and Mousse Def Mousse for this perm rod set. I'm gonna follow exactly what Janae Mason does, and hopefully I can recreate the same look. My hair is slightly stretched. It's not heat stretched. It's stretched using Afri threaders, which that video should be up by now, so I'll put it up in the cards. And yeah, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna I'm gonna section my hair in like 3-ish sections, and then I'm gonna get started. So here we go. Pray for me that this comes out good, because like I already got a nice makeup look going on, so yeah. All right guys, so I'm gonna start off with kind of small to medium sections. Like, they're not huge, but they're also not tiny either. And I'm gonna start off by completely hydrating the section with my spray bottle, just making sure all of my strands are hydrated. Then I'm gonna go in with my Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. Guys, if you've been here, you know this is my favorite leave-in conditioner. It just makes my hair so soft and moisturized. So I'm just gonna go in with my brush and make sure each of my strands has enough product. Next, I'm gonna go in with the mousse, and I'm using about this much. And again, I'm just gonna make sure each strand is distributed and, you know, each strand has enough product as well. So I'm gonna start off with that 2-strand twist. And I'm gonna twist about like 1/3 of the way down. Then I'm gonna brush out the bottom of the section just to make sure it's nice and smooth to put on the perm rod. Because if it's frizzy, when you're putting it on a perm rod, it's gonna be frizzy when you take it off the perm rod. So I'm just triple checking that it's nice and smooth. I'm wrapping the ends around the perm rod and just kind of smoothing them down. And I do wrap it around the ends once just to make sure they're secure, and then I just start wrapping it in a diagonal motion, because I didn't want to wrap directly on my hair, because then it just would take forever to dry. So that is what my perm rod looks like. It's nice and smooth, and yeah. So this is the next morning. I did sit under the dryer for about an hour, and then I slept in it, so I knew it was dry. Like, I wasn't worried. And as you guys can see, this first curl was popping. I was like, okay, you know, this might go well. But then the second one wasn't as popping. You guys can see it in my face. I was not very happy. So at this point, I was just like, whatever happens, happens. If I have to style it a certain way, I'm gonna make it do what it do. Even if it makes me late for work, because it did. But that's besides the point. So I'm just gonna take some oil to start doing my separating and fluffing. And I'm kind of doing the same thing Janae does. When I unravel my hair and kind of undo the twist, I am twisting my hair, or twirling my hair rather, with my fingers. And I kind of look like the dude from Friday, but it was the curls were nice. The curls were popping. You know, my ends needed to be trimmed in this video, but anyways, I do go in with my blow dryer to try and stretch the hair as much as possible. I've seen Janae do this as well in her videos when she wants just some extra stretch. So I was kind of trying to do that. As you can see, I'm kind of messing up my hair. I wasn't very meticulous with the blow dryer, so I was kind of frizzing up other sections of my hair without really realizing it. So we're gonna see how this comes out. I'm not gonna give it away because I want y'all to watch the rest of the video. But yeah, just keep watching. We're gonna see what happens. So yeah, it just wasn't a look. You know, I probably could have fixed it, but I didn't really have time. So yep, I'm throwing it up in a puff. Put some edge control on my edges, all around my perimeter, and then I'm using my scarf to put my puff up. If you want a more detailed video on how I do my puffs, actually with my normal texture and my you know, my thick density and all that, I will put a card up so you guys can go watch that. It's kind of an old video, but I still think it's helpful. Fiance walks in, you know, it was the morning, so he was trying to get in the bathroom. But so I decided to put a headband on because I didn't have time to like make my edges look perfect, and I just, you know, I didn't have time for that. I was already late for work. So I end up trying to stretch the puff out just to give it a bit more presence. You could tell by my face that I was so upset. But I use my pick to kind of fluff it out and give it some more volume. So this is what I came up with, guys. Thank you for watching my video. You know, it was an adventure, but make sure you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you can watch me not fail on a hairstyle. So I'll see you guys in the next one.